Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health Nuggets HQ. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Your go-to place for bite-sized health tips and tricks that are easy to digest and even easier to implement in your daily life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant to all of us, the impact of smartphones and social media on our mental health. It's something that affects everyone, from teenagers to adults. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. We love having you here and we want you to be part of our journey towards better health. We're living in a digital world that's constantly evolving. It's exciting, it's fast-paced, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. The way we interact with technology can have profound effects on our mental state. From scrolling through our feeds to checking notifications, our smartphones have become an extension of ourselves. But at what cost? Are we sacrificing our mental peace for the sake of staying connected? In this video, we'll be exploring both the positive and negative effects of technology on our mental well-being. We'll look at how it can be a double-edged sword, offering both benefits and drawbacks. We'll hear from experts in the field and give you practical strategies to create a healthier relationship with your devices. These tips are designed to help you find a balance that works for you. Let's get started. Smartphones and social media have undoubtedly revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. These devices have become an integral part of our daily lives, making it easier than ever to stay informed and entertained. They've opened up a world of opportunities for learning, creativity, and staying in touch with loved ones across the globe. From online courses to virtual art classes, the possibilities are endless. Social media platforms allow us to share our experiences and ideas with a global audience, fostering a sense of community and connection. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential downsides. While these technologies offer numerous benefits, they also come with significant risks that cannot be ignored. Excessive social media use has been linked to increased feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness, particularly among young adults. The constant barrage of information and the pressure to stay connected can be overwhelming. The constant comparison, fear of missing out, FOMO, and pressure to portray a perfect online persona can take a toll on our self-esteem and body image. This can lead to a cycle of negative self-perception and dissatisfaction with one's own life. Furthermore, the addictive nature of these devices and platforms can disrupt sleep patterns, reduce attention spans, and lead to a decline in real-life social interactions. The more time we spend on our screens, the less time we have for face-to-face conversations and meaningful connections. It's all about finding a healthy balance. By setting boundaries and being mindful of our usage, we can enjoy the benefits of technology without falling victim to its pitfalls. Striking this balance is key to maintaining our mental health and overall well-being.
To understand the complex relationship between technology and mental health, we turn to the experts. Psychologists and researchers have been studying the effects of digital devices on our brains and behavior, and their findings are illuminating. Our brains are wired for connection, but the constant stimulation from social media can actually lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. I emphasize the importance of mindful technology use and setting healthy boundaries.
Another study published in the Journal of Adolescent Health found a strong correlation between increased screen time and symptoms of depression and anxiety in teenagers. The study's authors stressed the need for parents and educators to promote healthy tech habits early on.
So how do we navigate this digital landscape without sacrificing our mental well-being? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the sea of notifications, updates, and endless scrolling. But with a few mindful practices, we can reclaim our time and mental space. The key lies in creating a healthy balance and using technology in a way that enhances, rather than detracts from, our lives. Here are some practical tips to get you started. 1. Set realistic limits. Determine how much time you want to spend on social media and other apps, and stick to it. Use built-in features or download apps that track and limit your usage. 2. Schedule digital detox periods. Designate specific times throughout the day, like meal times or an hour before bed, to disconnect from your devices completely. This helps in reducing screen fatigue and improving sleep quality. 3. Curate your feed. Unfollow accounts that trigger negative emotions or feelings of inadequacy. Instead, surround yourself with content that inspires, motivates, and brings you joy. 4. Prioritize real-life connections. Make a conscious effort to spend quality time with loved ones, engage in hobbies, and nurture your relationships offline. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate technology from our lives, but to use it in a way that supports our overall well-being. By implementing these small changes, we can enjoy the benefits of technology while maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Remember, you have the power to control how technology impacts your life. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and well-being. By setting boundaries, practicing mindfulness, and seeking support when needed, you can create a healthy and fulfilling digital experience. Don't be afraid to disconnect, recharge, and prioritize your mental health. Your well-being is worth it. While technology can facilitate connections, it's essential to remember the importance of face-to-face interactions. Make time for activities that foster genuine connections, such as joining a club, volunteering, or simply having coffee with a friend. Remember, true connection happens in the present moment, not through a screen. Nurture your relationships, build a supportive network, and experience the joy of human interaction. If you're struggling with social media addiction, anxiety, or other mental health concerns, please know that you are not alone. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional. There are also numerous online resources and support groups available. Organizations like the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, and the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, ADAA, offer valuable information and support. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, and there is no shame in reaching out for support. That's it for today's Health Nuggets HQ episode. We hope this video has empowered you to take control of your digital well-being and prioritize your mental health. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay connected, and take care of yourselves.